Alberta, you have supported us for over 30 years, so in this difficult time, we want to give back.
We're going to be setting up repair tents around the province to fix rock chips for free. Our goal is to invite anybody financially affected by COVID-19 to come and get their windshield fixed at no cost.
We will be giving away free rock chip repairs to anyone in need.
There will be a link in the description of this video with dates and locations.
It is important to note that we will not be performing these repairs out of our shops. This is because we do not have the space for lineups or proper social distancing.
Click the link to find out where and when it'll be happening.
It's your support that not only helps keep everyone here employed, but also allows us to offer assistance to those who need it.
Our crews will only be able to do a limited number of repairs each day.
And we want them to be given to the people who need it most. All we ask is that you only come if you really need it. If you have experienced a reduction in income and could use a free service, then come on down. Otherwise, give us a call. Your business is appreciated more than you know.
This is a time when we all need to work together.
And encourage everyone to pay it forward when they can.
Thank you.
Thank you. Also, we are looking for appropriate sites in Edmonton, Calgary, and Red Deer to host these Give Back Days.
All we need is large vacant parking lots so we don't interfere with traffic.
If you have a large parking lot and your business could use the exposure, let us know. We'll consider it for our location.